Hey guys, what's up? Alright guys, yes, this is somehow a continuation video of this fighter jet. We created first the jet nose, the body of the jet, twin jet engine, yes, wings with functional flaps or flaperon, something like that. The next thing we do is the stabilizers, vertical and horizontal, and sometimes I simply call them tail wings. And yes, I want them to be functional too.
Nice.
Let us start now. But the first thing I want to do is, well, I will delete the jet engines and the thrusters for a while. There you go, because we need the space. I want to place a block here. There you go. And what's the height of this? 0.3. What I want is I'm gonna pull this one with 0.3. Just one time like that. Switch to 2. With the scale, yes. Reduce the height like that and then pull it. There you go. Alright. And then I will simply reduce this using 0.5 like this. There you go. I think we can pull it some more like this. No, I don't think so. This one is aligned with the color of this. That is good. We're gonna use rotate 45 for this. So we're gonna rotate like this, okay? So you gotta place the block like this. Simply switch to 0 and then align this like this, alright? See this? There you go. And then pull it from here. There you go. As you can see, perfectly aligned with the edge of this block. Then yes, reduce this and then reduce this. There you go, as simple as that. And then maybe yes, switch to this. And yeah, that will do for now, because yeah, we are going to place the wings there, the tail wings. Yeah, so yes, change its color. And then this one, yes, perfect. So let's see, maybe 15 like that for this. So this is the back part of this tail wing. And then 0.85, reduce up and down, okay? And then 0.05, because I want to align it here. There you go, perfect. And then reduce this. So yeah, as you can see here, I think yeah, this one will do. All right. And then I just want to bring this back to 2. There you go, you can see there. All right. Then let's pull this maybe 7. Yes, 7 will do. Wait guys. Yeah, we gotta do something with this. We need to clone this, mirror this first. Yeah, I forgot, we need to make this functional, right? 0.1, yes, reduce it like that, okay? And then maybe we can reduce it to 7 like that. Yeah, and this one, yeah, this diagonal block, reduce this first like this, okay? And then reduce this also. Yeah, maybe 0.1, that will do. Or you know what, make it 40. Make the rotate 40 and then rotate one time like that. Yes, and then 0.85. Reduce up and down of this block and then go back to 0.5. Then yes, just align this like that. You know what? Let's go to 0.01 with this. See this one? Yeah, I want this to be covered, so pull it like that. I think yeah, that will do. Then yes, there you go. And then yeah, what's gonna be the length of this? Yeah, pull it up to 8. Let's say 8. Yes, 8. The width of this is 8. Like this. Yeah, I just want to align this here. There you go, see that? Then reduce it. There you go, see? Perfect. That's perfect. You can actually pull this like this. There you go. Then yes, like that. What do you think, guys? I think it's kind of small, right? Let's adjust this even more. Use 2, scale 2, pull it. Maybe one time, yeah, just one time. So make it 10. And this one, go back to 0.01. Oops, nope. 0.01, yes. And then pull it up to here. There you go. And then of course reduce this. There, yeah, I think this one is perfect. Yeah, oh my goodness.
Alright, so now we can mirror this. And then we can, yeah, let's use 0.5 with this. Yeah, like this. Create something like this. There you go. And then we can mirror this again. There you go. Again. So yeah, this is to cover the area of the wings. And then, by the way, yeah, change the color of this first. And then let's mirror this. There you go. Like that. There you go. Oh yeah, this one is perfectly covered. Let's cover this area. And then, yeah, reduce it. And then mirror. And then, yeah, resize. Like that. Alright, so yeah, this is the only problem now. So yeah, let's mirror this again. Make it smaller. Let's go to 0.2 with this. There you go. And then mirror this. Yes, reduce this. Then reduce this too. Yeah, let's extend it up to here. There you go. So yes, mirror this again. Reduce. There you go. There you go. Yeah, this one is gonna be smaller. You know what? Let's use 0.05 with this. There you go. Well, yes, actually guys, yeah, no specific size with this. What important is you cover the area. Then yeah, let's mirror this. Let's see what we can do here. There you go. Everything is now covered. And yes, of course, you know my style. I want to add some diagonal block here too. So match rotation, check it. And then rotate one time, then go to 0. And then increase, you know, just align this with the edge of this tail wing. Alright, there you go. Oh, one more. Yeah, that's good. And then 0.01, yeah, let's off to 0.01. There you go. And then with this, perfect. And the back part, yes, of course. Let's do it at the back part too. So same step, guys. Very easy.
For this part,
let's reduce this. You know what? Let's make it 0.1 like that, and then mirror this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate this. Let's say, let's use 5 with this. Rotate 5. So rotate one time. Yeah, just rotate one time like that. And then 0.01. So we simply align this like that. Yes, there you go. Cool, right? So yeah, I want this, you know, pointy, and it's gonna have some nice shape. The thing is, yeah, we need blocks with this, so we simply mirror this, and of course, we need to reduce this like that. Yes, and then yes, of course, this one also mirror, and the goal is, yes, simply cover the holes. Okay, and then mirror again. All right. There you go. And then this one, yes, just to cover the area. Let's see if we can extend this. There you go. And then one more here, yeah, with this part. Reduce this. And there you go, yeah, covered now. And yeah, guys, you know what? Let's place another diagonal block here.
Beautiful, yes, it's so pretty. So yeah, I want to mirror this. Yes, so the mirrored one, move it out. Yeah, just move it out like that. Gonna reduce it 3.4. Yeah, so this is gonna be the center, yeah? So this is the center of this stabilizer. And then we gonna place servo. And then place the servo like this. And then move it using 0.5, move it one time like this, okay? You can actually delete this now. Let's change it into gold. What important is we already found the center of this. Switch to gold so that it's gonna be durable, stronger, right? So yeah, connect it here with the tail wings. I'll reduce this first, like that. Then select this and then move it one time. There you go. I think that will do. This part, yeah, put gold block here. By the way, yeah, make sure this gold block is not touching this tail wing.
So reduce it here. Maybe we can extend this. By the way, yeah, these two gold blocks should not be touching each other. So reduce this one. So yeah, reduce this. There you go. And then let's say extend this down 2 times like that with 0.5, and then mirror this. There you go. Reduce its height. By the way, yeah, make sure they are connected like this. And then yeah, you can actually connect this to the body or to the jet engine. Yes, there you go.
Of course, we want to copy this to the other side. We are going to use the center block. There you go. Then at the sides of the center blocks, there you go. Alright, and then pull this. Make sure this one is longer than this, alright? So let's say 16. Yeah, this is definitely longer than that. Then make this also 16. So select all these parts. Then of course you got to select this guide box. And then mirror. There you go.
Then yeah, we need to move this 34, yeah. There you go. Then we can now delete this. And then yes. By the way, yes, with this one, rotate this. There you go, like that. Yes, there you go.
Check this reverse rotation for this. The other one is okay. So yes guys, for the sake of control, connect this. So left will be up. So up is W in our keyboard, and then right, gonna use S because S is down with our keyboard. And of course, make these blocks transparent. Collision off, of course, and then make them transparent like that. Yes, look at that, guys. Whoa, this is awesome.
Damn!
This is so cool, guys. Perfect. This is truly flex worthy, right? Imagine showing this with your friends, flying with your friends, and yes, your tail wings are moving like this. Awesome. This is awesome. So guys, yes, the other stabilizer, the vertical stabilizer, will be for the next video. So guys, by the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell, and please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. Bye bye.